Affiliate marketing is an awesome way to make money online. You don't have to create a product yourself. You don't have to deal with customer service. Yet you can reap the benefit by earning a commission per sale if you know what you're doing. You might be thinking, wow, affiliate marketing is a great idea, but where do I start? Well, that's what we will discuss today, as this is affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, if that's you, stick around till the end of this video.
Stick around.
If you're new, welcome to Digital Capitalists, your digital path to financial freedom, where we create a bunch of content to help improve your work-life balance, to help you escape the matrix, escape your 9-to-5 ASAP. A thumbs up will help us a lot to help you make money online. With that said, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online selling other people's products. Zero startup costs, zero overhead for running the business. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, meaning you can literally run your affiliate marketing business while waiting for your exotic beverage, chilling in a hammock on some tropical beach. Now, what affiliate marketers do is they tackle specific problems of specific target audiences to present products or services as a solution. We have a video that you can click on in the top corner where we give you 5 simple steps on how to start your faceless YouTube channel. But today we'll be focusing on 5 steps how to get started with affiliate marketing through video content. You see, many online businesses offer affiliate programs today. Simply sign up and become an affiliate of theirs. After you signed up, you can get your custom affiliate links to the products or services you want to share with your target audience. This way, the company can track sales that come from specific affiliate links so they can pay you accordingly. More on that later. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to find a large audience of people who have specific issues or problems, then find services or products that will assist them or even fix your audience's problems. If you do a great job selling digital products or services, the potential of affiliate marketing is huge. There are people absolutely killing it, some making money per month that would rival any employee's annual salary. So if you're ready, let's get started with step number 1. Choose your niche. If you try to serve anyone, you end up serving nobody.
I know.
Every good affiliate marketer has a niche in order to effectively influence their audience. It's much easier making content about stuff that you like, so choose a niche that you are A, interested in, have knowledge about, and preferably C, a niche with a large enough audience that may be interested in valuable products or services which you will be there to offer. Choosing your niche is crucial before even embarking on your affiliate marketing journey. The wrong niche will make it harder to sell, and the right niche will make it easier. So ask yourself, how do I know which niche is the best for me? Well, since your job is to become a reliable source of information, helping people provide solutions for their issues by being an affiliate for certain brands, services, or products, you yourself have to be in the best headspace. So ask yourself questions such as, what advice have people asked me for in the past? What topics am I most passionate about? What affiliate programs are there in my chosen niche? Are there brands who offer services or products that I'd like to align myself with? Not every niche is meant for you, so be honest in your assessment before you choose your niche. For example, you may be passionate about coffee. You can make content and try to sell coffee beans, yet your audience may not be as willing to spend as much money as, for example, dedicated fitness people or people who are into filmmaking. On the other hand, there may be niches in how to make money online. However, this could be a topic you're not as passionate about, thus may struggle to make content. So choose your niche wisely.
Make my day.
Step number 2, evaluate market demand. The next step is to evaluate your affiliate niche's market demand. This will solidify choosing your niche, plus identify what your target audience is willing to pay, what products and services they are looking for, so you can market the right products and services and start earning your commissions through affiliate marketing. A, Google Trend. As you know, Google is the biggest search engine in the world, and so a great place to start assessing your niche is Google Trends, which tells you how often Google users search for a particular topic on a scale from 0 to 100. Google Trend also gives some suggested topics as well as a breakdown on a regional level. B, YouTube. Search your topic, filter filter on upload date, check out the total views. If the total views exceeds over 100,000 views, isn't older than 3 months, you will have an indication what people are looking for. You may actually come across a competitor in your affiliate marketing niche, but that's perfectly fine because he or she will be an inspiration for your content. More on that later.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Plus, if the video is widespread, you will be able to use their comment section to see what's on your potential target audience's mind. If you want to know what people are actually looking for, you can use vidIQ, which is connected to YouTube real-time. vidIQ is a fantastic tool showing you what keywords are great based on what people are looking for on YouTube, as well as what your competition on YouTube is doing. C, actual products. Digital products such as software and online courses are maybe sought after by your target audience, but it can take a long time before you successfully create and launch such digital products. Fortunately, there are ways to partner with people who've already created courses which you can promote and grab a commission on every sale coming from your affiliate links. The beauty is you don't have to deal with support emails, a refund, or any customer service related issue. Places like ClickBank and Digistore24 offer a wide variety of digital products. More on that later. So whatever niche you're considering for your affiliate marketing business, start by plugging it to Google, YouTube, and on affiliate marketing places. Learn about your target audience, learn about their needs, their problems, learn about the products and services that can offer the solutions to your target audience, and see if there's a consistent demand. Step number 3, find top-notch products and services. One of the coolest steps when starting out in affiliate marketing is this part where you get to select any product or service that may provide the most value to your specific audience. How you get paid on affiliate marketing depends on a little thing called cookies.
Oh, these cookies! Put that cookie down! Now!
Nah, these cookies. Cookies in affiliate marketing are files that are created and stored on your visitors' computers after they click on your affiliate link, banners, or widget. Cookies help brands determine where visitors and sales come from. For you as a partner, cookies are also of great importance because they ensure all your sales are tracked and attributed to you. Here's an example. Imagine you review a 5-star hotel in New York and add an affiliate link where travelers can book a hotel. Michelle is planning to take a trip to New York. She discovers your video and clicks on your affiliate link right away. A cookie is dropped into Michelle's computer once she books that hotel room, which you get credit for the sale. Even if Michelle keeps browsing and picks a different hotel, you'll still be rewarded for the sale because the cookies are good all across the page Michelle is on. Now, when it comes to choosing a solid product to offer, do focus on finding something that hits on one of these 3 things you're looking for. A, something that people are extremely passionate about. B, something that solves a problem. Or C, something that people can start making money off of. Let's say you're passionate about cooking and your target audience is in the cooking niche. You showed them kitchen cookware that can help them save time. So your niche feeds your passion, plus it allows you to choose good products, which solves one of your audience's problems. Now, maybe the audience in that cooking niche doesn't really have much money to spend, or you can't really make a huge upside from selling cookware, which is something to consider when choosing your niche. You can even recommend software with monthly subscription plans, for example, Surfshark, which will continue to pay commissions every month as long as they stay signed up. In finding your product, it certainly helps to do research and find out about trends. Maybe there's a lot of hype concerning a specific product, like a new camera that just came out. When it comes to digital products, you can go to the aforementioned Digistore24, find a product within your niche, put your affiliate links of that product in the description. And this works especially after you've given a ton of value.
I take the cash and I take the respect.
Many of your favorite companies offer affiliate programs that you can easily sign up to and join for free. Just head on over to their website and see if they actually offer an affiliate program. Usually it's at the bottom of the website in the footer. You can always Google a company's name and add affiliate program to your search and see what pops up. ClickBank. On the home screen, simply click on the affiliate marketplace option. From there, you'll see an option to input a search term. In the search results, you'll see a section called Gravity. Gravity on ClickBank shows how high the demand for a product is on a 100-point scale. The lower the gravity, the harder it will be to sell your product. Amazon Associates Program. You can get commissions of literally anything listed on Amazon.com. This is one of the most popular options for getting started because it's so simple and it gives you so many options for products to sell. Plus, there are millions of people buying things on Amazon. Nowadays, Amazon pays a smaller amount than some of the other options that you can find out there, but it's still one of the most used and even best affiliate programs according to some. Signing up is super simple. Find the sign up form, answer a few questions, which doesn't take long to get through that process. If you want to know more about affiliate networks, check out this video here on Digital Capitalist that we made.
I am a peacock! You gotta let me fly!
Step number 4, create and publish top-notch content. In marketing, there's a popularized phrase, content is king, and there's a good reason for it. You see, Google, YouTube, the internet actually are just a collection of content, and if you contribute, people have a reason to come to you. How you'll deliver is up to you, but here are a couple of ideas that you can use for your content. A, product reviews. One of the most effective and easy ways to make content is to make reviews for different products and services in your niche. Brands are always looking for product reviews which convert to customers, and since you are a content creator speaking to a specific target audience, everybody wins.
For some of the stats, this scans in both color and black and white and can scan at 8 pages per minute, and it's really easy and simple to use.
B, unboxing videos. Think about it, this is Affiliate Marketing 101. You speak to your niche audience about products and services that can assist them, and the company or brand in question gets free publicity. C, tutorial. This is often a natural lead-in to someone trying a product for themselves. You could record a video of yourself and getting the most out of a physical product, or showing off the benefits for both a physical and a digital product like software. You can always check out what the competition is doing. Simply search your niche on YouTube and see what's out there. Check out some of the details, such as their thumbnail, their title, the presentation. Is somebody in front of the camera? Is it a faceless YouTube channel? And check out the comment section, since you will learn a lot about your target audience, what's on their mind, their challenges and issues, and their questions, which will give you more ideas on solutions you can come up with to your content and affiliate marketing.
That has got to go to work.
Step number 5, make a website. Now, most of the time you'll be focusing on your videos here on YouTube. However, if you want to be official, you can make a website, organize your content based on category. This not only makes you look more established as a business, it also helps for search engine optimization or SEO. Having a website also helps with branding, helps you with positioning yourself as an authority, which helps you with building credibility, thus a potential increase of your opportunities with affiliate marketing. Because again, the internet, YouTube, Google are all just a collection of content on which you, as an affiliate marketer, as a content creator, adds onto. In order for you to have a legitimate website with a custom domain that hosts all of your content in one place, you need to make an investment of sorts. Now, here at Digital Capitalist, we'd like to offer you as much value as possible through our content. What if you could get started with a website, a product that allows you to make more than a reasonable commission for free?
I'm trying to hook you up, man. I'm on your side, man.
Enter Groove Funnels. Regardless of where you're currently at in your affiliate marketing journey, Groove is an all-in-one complete CRM digital marketing platform that you can use to start and run a business with tools all online marketers need to grow their company while making money online and learn new skills. Here are some of the tools that Groove offers. Groove Pages, where you can build your website, your landing pages, your marketing funnels. With Groove Member, you can build your own membership site and create your digital products and online courses. You can use Groove Mail for building your email list, marketing, and lead generation. With Groove Affiliate, you can record recruit your own army of affiliates to promote for you and your products. Speaking of which, if you are starting out in affiliate marketing, but you don't have any experience, you don't have a product or service, Groove offers a built-in business opportunity, which is Groove Affiliate Program. Now you might be asking, that sounds great, but what does this all cost? Well, it's free and there's no credit card involved either if you just want to start out right now. Only thing you have to do now is click the first link below, fill out your information, and you can start right away. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing is an amazing way for you to make money online fairly quickly. Hope you gotten some value out of this video, and we wish you many blessings on your journey in affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out more videos which assist you on your digital path to financial freedom. And see you in the next video. May the Lord bless you all.
Hasta la vista, baby.